Today, we're going to try something new. First, take a look at this YouTube channel. They've created videos like this and got millions of views. You can also make videos like this. This is a really great channel. In today's video, I'll show you whether AI video channels can be monetized or not. I'll also introduce a free website called gentube.app, where you can create AI images and turn them into videos, all for free. I've shared everything, which free websites let you make AI videos and how you can use them step by step. Make sure to check out this channel. But first, take a look at this YouTube channel. It has only 114 uploaded videos, but already 1.74 million subscribers. As you can see, they've created amazing AI videos, and many of their videos have millions of views. You can check for yourself. Now the big question is, are AI channels monetized or not? Let's find out. First, go to socialblade.com, then paste the YouTube channel's URL there. Once you do that, you'll be able to see that this channel is actually monetized. You can even check their income from the last 14 days. It ranges between $29K to $459K, which is impressive. I'll also share the link of another monetized channel as proof. Now, let's get into how you can create AI videos step by step using a brand new website. Today, we'll use a completely free tool that allows unlimited AI image generation. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video. It really helps a lot. First, open the YouTube channel that makes the kind of videos you want to create. Then, use the snipping tool, which is available on every PC, to crop the image. After cropping the image, save it after that, go to ChatGPT and click on the plus button. Upload image. Then type, I want to make videos exactly like this image. Give me 6 image prompts based on it. ChatGPT will generate prompts just like the image. This is a very useful tool. You can also add custom instructions like add cobra in every scene. It will include a snake in every scene. In this way, by using your mind, you can create smart and creative prompts. To generate images, use gentube.app, or you can also use leonardo.ai, but keep in mind that Leonardo gives limited free credits. But gentube.app lets you create images for free and without any limits. Gentube.app is an excellent tool for creating unlimited AI-generated images for free. It's user-friendly, fast, and doesn't require any advanced skills. You can simply enter your idea and the tool will generate high-quality visuals. Ideal for content creators, marketers, or anyone exploring creative projects with AI. When you search for gentube.app, it will appear in the results. Then click on Login and sign in using your Gmail account. After that, keep clicking on Continue step by step. Once you're logged in, click on the Create button. Now something like this will appear. Select the image size you want. For Reels, the size is 9:16, so I will select that. Now I will copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. After pasting the prompt, the image will be created in just 2 seconds. Then I will right-click on the image, go to Save As, and keep saving the images one by one. Then I will copy the next prompt and paste it, and a new image will be generated. You can see it yourself. It creates an image in just 2 seconds. In this way, I will keep copying prompts from ChatGPT and pasting them here one by one. Images will keep getting generated one after another. Then I will right-click on each image, go to Save As, and keep saving them. And now I have downloaded all the images. Next step is audio generation. For that, I will open tteas.openai.com. It's a very good website for generating voice. I will paste my prompt there and choose the voice named Tom. It's a really good voice and I will use it. After pasting the prompt, I will click on Create Speech. Then I will click on Go to History and the generated audio will appear there. Next step is video generation, how to create a free video. For this, I will use 2 websites. The first website is called digden.ai. It's a very good platform. It gives you 300 free credits when you start. Later, you can also earn or buy more credits. With 300 credits, you can make around 10 videos. With 600 credits, you can create around 20 videos. And the best part is, this site gives daily free credits as well. Then I will click on Create and then click on Upload Image. After that, I will type a prompt like, "A snake is eating a cow," a rare and powerful moment of nature. Then I will click on Generate and the video will start creating. Next, I will upload another image and write this prompt. The snake is moving and there are flies in front of it, along with some natural movement. Then I will click on Generate and the video will start again. You can see it yourself. The video generation starts instantly. Now the next website is called Pixverse AI. It's a very good platform. At the start, it gives you 90 free credits, which allows you to create 3 to 4 videos. By using both websites, DID and Pixverse, you can easily make a lot of videos. Now I will upload an image and write this prompt. The duck is moving and a fly is sitting on it. Then I will click on Create and the video will start generating. You can see it yourself. The video starts creating right away. Now I will upload the next image and write this prompt. The goat is drinking milk, the baby is crying, and a fly is sitting on top. The video will start generating. Then I will upload another image and write this prompt. A fly is sitting on the baby and the baby is crying. The video will begin to generate. In this way, videos have been created from both images. You can see it yourself, the results are very good. Now I will save the videos. For the final video editing and to remove the watermark, I will open CapCut. I will adjust the video slightly. As you can see, I will zoom in a little and the watermark will disappear. And just like that, my video is ready. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'll bring another amazing video next time. Thanks for watching.